Your challenge is to make a device capable of transporting an egg the furthest possible distance in a rubber band powered vehicle without breaking the egg. That was the premise for a TV show called The Great Egg Race. And when I was a teenager, that is what I wanted to do for a living. But when I finished my mechanical engineering degree, Great Egg Race participant wasn't a viable career option. I'm Professor Lucy Rogers. I'm an inventor with a sense of fun, and I turn science into plain English. I've had a varied career, from working on cable cars in Nepal to firefighting tugs in Hong Kong, and I also helped to bring to the world's attention the dangers of space debris back when astronauts were saying, "Space is big, don't worry." When I was a student, I thought my reports would speak for themselves. After all, I put all the facts in there, why wouldn't they? How wrong was I? But, like I suspect many engineers, I was a socially awkward teenager. I had to learn the hints and tricks and communication skills so that I could get my point across without stabbing people with it. This has led me to writing a book on rocket science, to co-writing the environmental health course text for Southampton University for an MSc, and for writing articles and blogs for companies such as IBM, RS Components, the European Space Agency, Barclays, The Guardian. I was also one of the judges on BBC Robot Wars. I also make open source devices, such as this. So I hacked this boot so that you could change the light colour just by tweeting it anywhere in the world. And I write things like that up in how-tos, and so that anyone, anywhere, can copy what I did and adapt it for their own use. I've also put Raspberry Pi computers into robot dinosaurs at a theme park. But my proudest achievement was one of my Internet of Things devices, and it got featured on the IBM homepage worldwide and also on Tomorrow's World Live. This was a Internet of Things volatile organic compound sensor. It was a fartometer. I also host engineering and comedy podcasts, and am a Royal Academy of Engineering visiting professor of engineering, creativity and communication at Brunel University in London. The breadth of my experience, from mechanical, electrical, electronic, computing, environmental, astronautical, has meant that, combined with my communication skills, I can make things like a device that transports an egg the furthest possible distance in a rubber band powered vehicle for a living.